its first release date being January 5, 2023. The event. The drone is designed to assess complex environments and create real-time 3D flight paths. This feature enhances safety and efficiency, particularly in challenging and unpredictable environments. It is equipped with advanced sensors that facilitate flight in areas where GPS is unavailable, broadening the range of environments where the drone can be effectively used. The EVO Max 4T comes with an impressive thermal payload which unlocks new possibilities for object identification and tracking scenarios. This feature is particularly useful in applications like search and rescue, surveillance, and wildlife monitoring. With a foldable, weather-resistant design, the drone is highly portable, making it suitable for a variety of field applications. This portability is a significant advantage for professionals who require a reliable drone that can be easily transported to different locations. The EVO Max 4T is equipped with a quad-camera system that includes thermal and range-finding capabilities. It features an 8-camera 720° obstacle avoidance system, an 8K camera with up to 160x hybrid zoom, and a wide-angle camera capable of capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second. Quad-camera system that includes thermal and range-finding capabilities. It features an 8-camera 720° obstacle avoidance system, an 8K camera with up to 160x hybrid zoom, and a wide-angle camera capable of capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second, that operates in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees to 1.
Whether it's power inspection, emergency rescue, or traffic patrol, drones have become a powerful assistant for the modern workforce. To further enhance the efficiency of these aerial tools in industry applications,
has auto-tracking capabilities for different target types. The drone supports drone-to-drone autonomous communication and is equipped with anti-jamming and anti-interference systems, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging conditions. In summary, the Auto Robotics EVO Max 4T is positioned as a powerhouse.
Designed to keep your drone safe from the elements, the EVO Nest is a fiberglass charging board, a built-in air conditioning system. Operators can control the software remotely, planning routes and flight tasks using Autel's advanced automatic control algorithm. The EVO Nest enables drones to take off and carry out consecutive missions with no human intervention. Operators can monitor the whole process in real time and take manual control if necessary. For key inspection objects, collect relevant data through intelligent tracking and real-time thermal temperature imaging. It can be recharged and ready for its next assignment in as little as 45 minutes. The unit features overcharge protection to ensure charging safety. The EVO Nest can be controlled via the cloud and transmits collected data to a remote console for timely analysis. Lightweight and portable, the EVO Nest can be deployed to parks, rooftop decks, and other sites. Simple and easy to use, the EVO Nest is capable of assisting professionals in a wide variety of fields. Free up manpower, reduce operating costs, improve workplace efficiency. The EVO Nest is to be more. Our one mission is to make sure all your missions go as smoothly as possible.